Today, we're starting off running. I don't know if everything is working. I honestly don't know if everything is working. So, if you hear me now, if you see me, say something. If you see me, say something. If you see me, I know you hear me. I just checked it on my stream dashboard. Welcome, Arduku. Welcome. All right. Oh, I need to close this before I show you guys too much. So, what are we going to do today? We're picking up where we left it. I think that's what I called it. Did I? Pick up where we left. Ah, CFI, welcome. So what are we going to do? We're going to be working on our code today a little bit. Before we start though, today is going to be the first time that I'm starting up my code from the GitHub repository for Dooku and Roy Lisi to also be able to review it in the background if I ever do something. So I'll be heavily relying. Yo, Timur, welcome. So I'll be heavily relying on you guys to lead me, guide me to the code. The more you see me, the more beard I get. Yeah, it's something that grows generally. And I hope it will grow on you because soon I'll be cutting it. Last Friday I went and delivered my contract. You have a beard as well, core functions. Well, I never saw your beard. The only thing I saw during your streams is the potato you use, the potato filter. All right, let's go. But Friday, like I said, I signed the contract for the new job. I went and brought it to them because if I would send it by postage, it was going to take too long. So I decided to do it by hand. So that's out of the way now. April 1st. It's like an April Fool's joke, but it's not. April 1st, I'm starting my new job as a supervisor in the laboratory. Hello, Adi Laxmedov. Welcome to the channel. So I'll be technically, officially, I'm starting April 1st, but we're starting April 3rd because that's the first Monday. Adilax, we have Turkish. I understand what you're saying, but I will be responding in English if that's not a problem for you. My streams are all in English, so I can have a broader fan base. That well, yes, you can see it. I don't know. Are you a coder, Adilux? Do you know how to code? I think you know. I think I know. I think you're coming from the campus Discord. Am I right? Perfect. You're a Python developer. Welcome to the channel. We need people like you. So, what's this channel about, Adilux? I'm not a coder. I am not. I'm trying to learn it. Thank you for the follow, by the way. I'm trying to learn how to code, and I'm starting very simple. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. All these streams are for me to learn coding and show you my journey. And maybe in the future, touch other people appropriately, not inappropriately, but to touch people and maybe make them find their own way. Some people just want to start, but they need that little bump in the back. Maybe that I'll be that person. So I'm learning coding. You're learning English. I have a GitHub. I'm learning how to code. You're learning how to English. Well, we're learning. This channel is all about teach me. Teach me, teach me, teach you, teach me, teach him, teach them, whatever. All right, but let's start. What we're going to do today is, hold on, where's my coding screen? There it is. So what we're going to do today is, Adilaks just said something very right. GitHub. So what did we do last week? Arduku, are you hiding? Arduku and Roy Lisi are my, like every, yeah, give me the money to buy fish, indeed. So, as every website, as every whatever whatnot has a front end and a back end, this stream has two people in the back end just, doing everything they can so I can learn. Arduka is one of them. And I also have a Roy Lisi. He's unfortunately not able to join us today. He has some stuff going on at home. But what Arduka and Roy Lisi always had struggled with was, we have a code that we've been working on. In fact, let's just start up the code to show you guys where we left off, as in how it looks. We're building this website. And I've been doing stuff on the front, off stream, on stream, everywhere. And every week, every Sunday, they come to the stream, they check out what I did. I changed stuff, or I did stuff. I try to explain as much via Discord, but it just doesn't work. So they asked me, Hakan, do you have a GitHub? Yes, I have a GitHub. Do you know how to use GitHub? No. So they told me, well, put this code on GitHub and start working from GitHub so we can follow your changes even if you do them off stream. Let me just quickly answer these questions. Not hiding. I know you're not. I was just joking. Well, native English. Yes, my English is almost native. It's not native. I'm not born in England or in America or whatnot. But I've been speaking English since I was 3 years old. And over time, I just, I built an accent, and I can do different accents as well. It's become native to me. I sometimes even say I'm even better in English than I'm in my native tongue, which is I speak Dutch and I speak Turkish because my father is Dutch, my mother is Turkish. So I have these two native languages, but my English is a lot better than both of them. That's how I see it. And yes, it sounds like native. You're right. All right, so GitHub. Let's go there. Now, I think, Arduku, please correct me if I'm wrong. What I understood the last time is that, hold on, where's my, there, no, is it this one? Or do we make a different file out of it? I think it's in this one. Yeah, it's in this one. So, the last time, what we did, we built a repository. Why I'm starting to code? Because I want to change my life. I've been using computers since I was like 3 years old. My first computer had the most basic MS-DOS system. Like whatever you were doing out of the command line. If you wanted to play a game, my dad set up some files and you had to type in the commands to go to that file. I played one of the first versions of Prince of Persia, for instance, on that MS-DOS system. So I've been using computers since I was 3 years old. Computers are just, they have become an extension of me. I myself am a chemist. I'm a master in organic chemistry. I'm a scientist. I've worked in cancer research for a few years, university laboratories, but also private laboratories. So I'm a chemist, but during my last job, I was away from home too much. Like I would leave at 6, come back at evenings at 9 o'clock. So I'm talking about work days that were sometimes bordering 15 hours a day. So a lot. Yes, H2O is water indeed. Today we have cola here, so But I work days of 15 hours, and I have a daughter now. She's 9 months old. I'm missing precious time with her, so I decided to stop everything. I love computers. I do tend to understand some stuff, some code. Before I decided to start becoming a coder, I did understand some stuff, like what the HTML files were, and understand that if you see a P and there's text in it, and you see it in the page as well, that P, that paragraph, is where that text is coming from, so that if that text would be different, it would also be different on a web page. So I understood a few of the concepts. One of my friends said, he's a front-end developer himself, he's a project manager now with a big company. He said, hey, why don't you learn how to code? You can learn in 9 to 12 months time if you really focus on it. So that's why I decided to start off. What are you doing now, Timur? What's that? It looks like an ice cream. Well, yeah, but I don't have the time, Timur. I don't have the time to work every evening on this. Like I said, I come home too late. I'm too tired. I just want to not start up the computer, just sit on the couch and do nothing. If I had the time to work on it, no, I know you're not judging. We're being honest here, really honest. And if I had the time to work every evening 1 hour on coding, it would probably be a lot faster. But unfortunately, I don't have that time. So we're doing it every Sunday during the stream. But from 25th March forward, so 25th March included, we're going to add a Saturday stream where I will be focusing. I won't be. I will be responding to chat, but a lot less, and where I will start doing Code Wars and Odin Project and whatnot. But yeah, all right. So uh, if I want to code the files that are in the repository, I need to open up the files in the repository, right? Am I right? And then the only thing that I need to do is update them whenever I'm done. All right. So in that case, what we're going to do is open folder, GitHub, website stream, new sidebar project, select folder. So this is our GitHub folder. We can close this again. If everything is right, index, and what are we going to do today? Oh, I forgot about that. Well, today we're not planned. We're just going to do stuff. I could clean up the code a little bit. It's going to be goddamn time I did that. Let's go live. Let me just grab this and put it on my other screen as well. Nice. All right. Let's start. What should we do today? Close this one. Oh, I found something. Let me show you that, by the way. I really love this. So someone made this gradient code. And the fun thing about this is you can, like for instance, let's choose, but the only problem with this screen is it's bugged. Inspect. Goodbye. You can make your own gradient. In fact, let's make our own gradient. Change the orientation. Copy CSS. And then when you paste it, let's just make, hold on, let's just do this. You get a background CSS code that fits this pattern. So let's just put that in here. Let's just change this. We can change it back when we're done. Isn't that beautiful? That's good. If any of you lovely people need it, here you go. But I really like this. But let's go back to our original gradient. I'm looking for what that freaking thing was that we found last week. Oh, this is a beautiful web page, by the way. I wanted to do this as well, but I couldn't figure it out. Should we try this? You came back. Welcome back, Adilux. Adilux, what's your name? Is that your name? Adilux. No. Oh, I see it. Adil Aksmedov. Adil and Aksmedov, I think that's... Yes, exactly. Are you Ahmedov? Yeah, I was expecting. Yeah. What was it again? You are our komshu. You are our neighbors, lovely, lovely neighbors. All right. Let's just clean up the code today. What do you think? Let's just do that. I think it's about time. I've been postponing it. I need to do it. So let's start with all the CSS styles. Let's see what we have. Let's first index and style. Oh, there it is. Oh, this is for the sections. Oh, that's something we can do. I fully forgot about that. We never made this so that it would be usable in phones and everything. Oh, is it in chat? Oh, I'm sorry. You're right. Yeah, last stream we did a bit of chatting at the end, so it stayed like that. All right, let's see. Ah, the Spartans. Ladies and gentlemen, Yamchar TV, my little brother, ended his stream and is sending 6 of his followers, 2 of them are himself, to our stream. Welcome. How was your stream? How was War Thunder today? Yeah, I take your money. Don't worry. I'll take your money anytime. Oh, a hype train is coming. That's the first time I've seen that. You can see the what? Oh, I forgot what I wrote. I forgot what all these Streamlabs warnings were. Thank you, Mehmet. Thank you, Khan. Welcome to the stream. Let's start with our style first. So we have oh, that's for the sidebar. Okay, never mind. But I might be putting that in index. No, I won't. Because this is only for the sections. Never mind then. But what I could do is I could put below all styles for different screen sizes. What was this called? What was it again? That media. So let's copy this, or cut this, put it below here. Okay, so this one we can delete as well. You go call your girlfriend, yeah. Future wife. We're not using these anymore. All right. Mushroom button. I need a mushroom button. What's happening here? Go away. Oh, that's why. Yeah, okay. Never mind. I know why that happened. Okay, these are the sections. What's happening here? Below are the medias. Now I just want to see what's the difference between this one. Oh, hold on. Okay, hold on. I have to take this one up here. All right, hold on. Okay, yeah, I get what yeah. All right. This one is for 900 to almost 1200. This one is up until 900. This one is up until 767. And then there is no other media as far as I can see. Max width 360, minimum width. Okay, yeah, I was almost fucking that up. Oh. All right, save that. What's this one? Oh, we're not even using that. Close it. Okay, nothing to do there. Oh, we were doing the grayscale thing. This wasn't working. We need to revisit that sometime. Carousel. Okay. Yeah, but we don't have any background images. Why don't we have any background images? Oh, I know why. Image PNG SVG. I think it was this one. It wasn't? Desktop. It was. Which one? Oh, you mean the links? Why didn't we have them in there before that? Weird. Okay. That's working again. Okay, the only thing that we had was the fact that this text looks like shit when the picture is there. Oh, I see. Yeah. All right. That's a tip. That's a good tip. Thank you, Dooku. Hold on. Let me just see. Dooku. I'm losing my Crocs. In the path and file names in HTML, usually you use small letters for HTML. Yeah, but I'm a major caps lock guy. I love caps lock. I don't know why, but I like it when things are big, bold, and in your face. Dooku, a quick question. What if I wanted to style the background image, but the background opacity? What can I do for that? I remember we were doing the background, the blend mode, but we weren't able to do it then, as far as I remember, or we were having trouble. Is there a nice way of changing the opacity of the pictures? Hold on, let's CSS background picture opacity without affecting text. Okay. Let's just try this. Never know. Ah! This is the one we were looking for. So we did it right. We just needed to add the opacity into this part. Maybe. Hold on. You're right about that. I didn't see that. Okay, yeah, that's the right one. Sorry, we don't even need to do this. But is the text changing? It isn't, right? Okay. You're right about that. So we did fix that. Then probably because the fact that it was 07, it was still, looking bad for me. But now we have a picture on the background. Maybe it's a bit too opaque, but it's better. The text is a lot more readable, right? Let me just see if we change the background. Yeah, so oh no, damn you, no. Okay, this is big enough. Yeah. Well, you can stay like that because you're more in the middle. Okay. I need to download like a picture library that I can use for this kind of stuff. Oh, what's this? Oh, this looks bad. So if the screen hold on, How can we, what did we say again to make it fit? Line 31 is red. What's this, by the way? Oh, I was writing that. Never mind. Line 31. Okay, we need to, I think we need to do something like this again. Yeah, I'm just going to grab this like this. I don't care. We'll change it here on the go. Below styling for background pictures add media. All right, now let's start fixing it. I think inspect, inspector gadget. I think if it's this small, I couldn't care less how it looked. Like, what kind of phone do you have if it is this small? Let's say an iPhone 12 Pro, all right? iPhone SE. If nope, too much. Same goes for you because you're also very high. In fact, you should be 200, I would say. And you okay. Now let's go to 767. Oh. My screen is too big or too small for this. I'm going to do this quickly off screen, sorry. Or what I could do, I could leave you to this screen, take my coding screen off screen. That's also an option. Let's do it like that. All right, so let's go into inspect again. What did we say? 767 was it? Yeah, 767. So we need to be 766, for instance. Beautiful. Right on spot. All right, now margin top. Let's give you 100 pixels. Let's give you 200 pixels. Are we even changing the right one? Yeah, we are. Let's give you 400 pixels. 300? 600? 800? Am I doing anything? A 1,000. Nothing? Okay, hold on. Are we even sure of the size? Let's just go 760. All right. If everything is correct, I know why it's not working. I know why it's not working. Oh my God. All right, let's go back to the 360 pixel one. Just to recheck if everything is still as it should be. Now the reason why it wasn't doing it, and I'm going to show you the example right now. It's giving, you know, an error, and the error is this opening bracket. It's not closing. So that wasn't clever. But if we go to 760, 69. No, don't go to 69. And we now go up to the top. Now everything should be fixed. Let's go to 100 pixels. See? It's working a lot better. Let's give it 130 though. No, 120. Yeah. All right, next section. This should be something like that as well, but this time it should be, I think, 100 pixels. Nice. Let's give this one, oh, that's 1,000 though. 100 pixels is enough. Too much, in fact. 50. Looks good. How can you undock the DevTools? Oh my God. You are you are clever, man. Oh, I need to hold on. I need to rearrange my windows now. Bring you here. I think that's big enough for you. You can stay there. You stay there. You stay there. I don't have anything else to give you. Then I bring you to this size. I think that would be better for me. No, I didn't brick it. I took away. I did what you said. You and Roy Lisi love to make fun of me. You know, there is something. It's called just saying. All right. By the way, we can close this because we already did this. Baklava fıstık, welcome. Let's continue. Max width. Will it show there though? It is. All right. Crikey. So we did this. Now minimum width. Hold on. Did we change this? No, we didn't. See? Max width 900. So let's make 899. Yes, thank you. I'm very proud of myself. And of Arduku, and Roy Lisi, and Iris Rumtub, and Hack Donalds, and everyone else that helps me out while I'm coding. You know, there should be after each stream. Oh, that's a good one. I might be doing that. I might be adding. Oh yeah, I love this idea. I love this idea. I'm going to add a credits after the stream. Not this stream, but next stream we're going to have a credits. And I'm going to credit each and every coder that just, you know, comes in and helps me out. Like, for instance, I'm going to put CFI in there. But I'm not going to put his name in there. I'm just going to put a picture of a potato in there, so he will know that it's him. Pretty much use I'll use the credits as a shout out thing as well. I could just put, you know, links to the channels, and people, oh, is that maybe a possibility? I should look at that. I should no, but I don't think that's possible. I think you won't be able to click on links in the player. Or I could make one of my bots a command, like I can call it something like this. And it can start rolling through the credits where it will just give shout out to people and also shout out to channels. I like this idea. I like this idea. Where's my to-do list? Where's my todos? My todos is here. Stream related. Are you still here? Yes, we're still here. Slow down. So, I'll tell you what went wrong. See this button? That's what went wrong. But luckily, there's something with Twitch that if you drop out of the stream and come back as quickly as you can, the stream continues, right? As you can. Yes. So, what were we doing? Stream related. Make the bot start credits message. Maybe even make, you need to move to space. Maybe even make a real credits roll. All right. This is something that I'm going to look at. Where were we? We were in the hold on. Where? This is the about me, right? Yeah. We are in the about me. Okay, so that's good. That means that even though I lock my screen, the stream just continued. But hey. But you're seeing my screen now as far as I can see. Hold on, let me just wiggle my mouse. Oh, yeah. It helps if I have my mouse on the screen. There it is. All right, but let's continue. So, where are we? We are at this part. So, let's look at this. Give it 100 pixels. Maybe give it 75. Okay, I'm okay with that. Let's go to section 2. 75 will be too much for you. I just know it. 50. Next one. That's going to be too much as well. And let's drop you down to 25 because I have a feeling that 25 will be, even that is too much. Maybe you don't even need a margin. I might as well just delete the margin in this case. Yeah. Yeah, I'm okay with that. And the big screens, minimum like this. Okay, we already changed that, I think. So, no, we need to do a little bit more adjustment to this. Like, let's give you 20. 30? Okay. All right, so at least we can now say that the About Me section is somewhat adjusted, as in pictures and etc., adjusted to screen sizes. But now my question is, and I maybe need to change that as well, like this text is too big. And why is this picture up there now? I thought we changed that. How small is the screen? Like, first of all, I can delete this now because we don't need this, right? Yeah. Well, before deleting it, let's just put it in comments. Now, as for you, why aren't you in the middle? Oh. Okay, so okay. There you are. 250. Too high. Okay, scroll down. Too much. 150. Good. Scroll down. Too much. 150. Good. Now we need to do something about the text. All right. I'm just typing something. Hmm. Yeah. But this isn't exactly what I want, but I'm still going to fitting text to a container. In fact, we can do that. CSS change font size, smaller screens. Okay. I think my headphone decided to log off. It's stupid. We need some music. Otherwise, it's going to continue sleeping. There it is. Well, yeah, I know. I want to add it to this media, but I wanted to, you know, look at if I can change the if I can change something in the code. What's our font size now? What's the hold on. What's the normal font size in this case? Is there a way of seeing that? Sorry, I forgot turning on your music as well. Where can I see what's the normal font size if you don't have anything written? Yeah, but how can I see what it is though? I need to change this as well because this looks bad. Okay, so that's 16 pixels. Now let's bring you back to this side for me again. Close this. About me. Yeah, you can go. You can go. You can go. We'll check you out later. You can go as well. Okay, so our problem was when we were in this mode, text could be a little bit too big. Body. Oh, that's a little bit too small. Why isn't it closing though? We need to check that out in a minute as well. This isn't funny. It's not working any. Oh, there it was. But why isn't it working everywhere? It needs to be like at the extreme edge. Okay, so what is this, if I can ask? Dooku? Pages look a bit different. This sets. So this pretty much forces all browsers to look the same. So what do? We just copy this into a CSS and link it? You know what? I'm not even going to wait for the... Wait. I'm not even going to wait for the answer. I'm just going to copy it. My computer's going nuts. Control C. Where's my code? My code is here. Let's just, for testing's sake, what's happening to my computer, dude? New text file. Select the language. CSS. I'm not even going to check chat. I'm just going to paste it here and see what's going to happen. Because why not? guys. So, okay, so, but it's not that it's damaged. It's just warning me to not use this because it's non-standard. All right, you know what? Let's do this. We save this. We go to index, we go to contact, we go to carousel, about stream, and about HTML. All right, let's copy this now and save this page. Let's, before we start adding stuff like that, let's add this one here. On top of that, save it. Save it, David. Okay, so I'm just going to take this one away from you guys quickly. Let's edge. And then let's take this one. As you can see, never used edged. Well, I did, but okay, let's read what you wrote. You wrote a lot of stuff. Yeah, you can also just link it to be the first link that loads CSS files. Oh, okay. That's what happens if you don't listen to Dooku in the beginning. You know what? Just copy it like this. And then let's go in here again. And take you out. I think this is a bit faster. I'm okay with this music, but let's go here. Oh, nice. Let's get loud. I don't know why, but does this look better than the Chrome one? That would be stupid. No, it doesn't. Although you can see there's a slight difference. Not now. Oh no, there's no difference. Sorry, there's no difference. Oh! Hey, welcome to the channel. Hello. Hey guys, quickly. Now that the man, the legend, go visit the guy. Like this is for me, it's been a life changing Twitch streamer, to be honest, because let's just switch off the music because it's distracting me too much. Uh, Umut is a life changing Twitch streamer for me because at first I just went, I saw someone on Twitch, like Twitch dev, and it was in Turkish, in fact, Twitch dev ile kodlama, coding with a Twitch dev. I was like, okay, a Turkish Twitch dev doing a stream on Twitch. What can this be? But I have no regrets being a follower since then. I've met beautiful people. I've met, but like really beautiful people. Core Functions Initiated. I don't know if he's around here, but Core Functions Initiated. I met him through Umut, and there's many more people. There he is, our lovely potato. Well, if you have to cry, you have to cry, bro. I really couldn't care right now because you did change a lot for me. Next to that, this guy is so special. Uh, During the past few weeks, there was a great effort on by web developers to support in the earthquake in Turkey. Like many people died, unfortunately, in this earthquake, but uh, next to all the people, the 10,000 people that died during this earthquake, there were also maybe millions of people that were in need of everything, of food, shelter, medical assistance, whatever, whatnot. Uh, and all of this effort was being coordinated in a time where there was bad internet, there was you weren't able to reach people that easily. There was no real network set up as well. These guys went ahead and they started working on Afet haritası, and Afet haritası pretty much means it's a map that mapped out just like Google Maps, but it mapped out hotspots of stuff like where's a building that collapsed that needs help, where's food and shelter, where's medical personnel, and they went ahead and coded and did their best to make that map work as best as possible. And there's like I don't know how many coders were behind it, but a lot of coders, and all of these people did it pro bono. They didn't ask a cent from this. There was only one thing they wanted, and that was to reach as many people and to be able to assist as many people. I'm unfortunately not well trained enough in assisting in these efforts, but every stream they had, I tried to join in. I tried to watch, and well, just hope that a lot of people were getting their help from this. One of my moderators, Solo Fantasma, was also hit by the earthquake. He's still around, so we're happy about that. And he also, as far as I know, used this map to get some much needed shelter and food and so on and so forth. They were lucky enough; they found a house, a single story house where they fit with all of their neighbors into that same house. So they lived with I don't know how many neighbors in one small house, but they were able to rescue as much of their stuff, as much of their food out of the building. So their building, luckily enough, did not collapse. Yes, they have a lot of monetary, damages, but they have each other still. They're still alive, so that's important, and I'm happy that they are still safe. But he used this map as well, so I'm very thankful for Umut for being there and doing this, and for all of his community. There's a community behind this. Let me just check if my yes, I thought maybe I had a dot between the comp and the US. Campus is a community, yes, mostly Turkish, but there's place for English as well. So if you want to join in, if you want to learn, if you want to work together, a lot of people are working together there. If you need to ask a question, if you think you don't know the answer to one of your problems, I'm sure there's someone in there that can yes, you are bilingual, but there's many people in there as well that can support. So this community maybe looks Turkish, but they are open to many languages. And so please go to the Discord, join, help out, ask questions, start threads, whatnot. It's a beautiful place with beautiful people. Exactly. Don't hesitate. Just ask. So yeah, nice. That's a long post. While we're at it, why not just? Oh, hold on, wrong. I hope I wrote it correctly. I did. Also follow this guy. He's the best potato coder out there. So he had a filter. He had a potato filter. He's not using it anymore. It breaks my heart to just go to a stream and not see a potato dancing in stream. And he's like, you'd always see him in the corner, his head bobbing like this, a potato just bobbing like this, and he's dancing to the music in his stream. It just gives me energy to watch this guy as well. But yeah, so go to these two guys, please. But yeah, let's continue. Umut, thank you again for coming to the stream. Thank you for the sub. CFI is the man, indeed. Also a really original name. I really love his name as well. Well, hey, I'm sure that I missed a lot of things. I'm sure that I missed a lot of things. There's if I ever need to make an intro, I need to start writing down stuff about you so I can make an intro. I feel like there's many more things that I can talk about you that I maybe miss right now. So well, I have an idea, by the way. We were just writing that. I just wrote that in my to-do list. Like, I have some very great coding friends here on the stream, like Arduku, Roy Lisi, who isn't here right now because he has some private business to attend to. I have Iris Rumtub. And these guys, they assist me during all my streams. They join me. They correct my mistakes, and if I have questions, they try to explain it as much as they can. And I love these guys. Really, they're here every stream. And I was thinking maybe I need to start making something like a credits scene, like at the end of the stream when I'm just closing up, just type credits, and then my bot starts to talk and just shouting out to people, and in this meanwhile also a screen with credits rolling. Well, it's a good idea. I think I'm going to make a scene like that where I just have credits and where I just update them every so many times whenever the new people are joining and they're like actively attending and assisting in the stream. I'm just going to add their names to it so they appear on that scene as well. So yeah, I'm going to look into that and maybe make a credit scene like that. So, oh yeah, I think so as well. I think so as well. For you, but especially for me. Like these guys, I follow a lot more people like I follow you, and there's one I can't just say thank you to you and not say it to him as well. B7H30, the guy's name is Theo. He's learning how to hack. He's doing trying hack me and whatever. I don't know the systems he's using. He's a great guy. He's a good coder as well, and I have much fun at his streams as well. Arduka and Roy Lisi I met through him, through one of his raids, and a lot of people came in and they came to stay, and I'm so happy about that. Go see Theo as well. Please go follow him. Like I said, also at the end when we're rating someone, if I'm giving a shout out, if I'm rating someone, please don't forget to follow them. Follow them because, and for instance, Ozzy as well. We rated Ozzy a few times. When you go to someone following me to the raid, follow them. Even if you're not going to watch them. Like, that's not important. Maybe it doesn't fit your your viewing preferences. Sure, but we're rating. Please give them a follow because you don't know how happy we get if someone follows. Like for instance, today, Adil. Adil followed us and it made me really happy. I'm not. Is Adil still here? Adil. Like those small follows, it makes us so happy and it just gives us that extra energy to continue going on. So, Ozzy, welcome to the stream and please don't forget to follow Ozzy as well. Ozzy, Umut, Core Functions Initiated, Theo, everyone I shout out to. Everyone is more important than me. Please go follow them, make them happy, show them the love, and if you ever join their stream while I'm not there, off raid, say hi from me. All right? Okay. You're welcome, man. I love your streams as well. So thanks, Umut. I think my vibe fits perfectly in the community vibe because that's the same vibe I get from you and everyone in the community. It's so open and there's such beautiful energy in there. I love it. I love it. All right, let's continue. So what did we do? So Arduku told us something about normalize CSS. Where's my browser page? I lost my browser. No, that's the wrong one. Yeah, this one. So we took the code and we copied and pasted it. And what it should be doing, and I'm not sure because at this point I don't have that much info as you guys do on if the changes are like I don't see the differences, to be honest. But according to what Arduku said, that normalized CSS thing, it helps us in normalizing and making a standard style on all browser types. So we did that. We added that. Let's see. Well, welcome back, Adil. We were talking about you. Like I said, Adil comes from Umut's Discord, and when I said today in the Discord of Umut, in the campus, when I said, okay, let's go, the stream is starting, he was one of the first people that joined the stream. So thank you for being here today, Adil. But so yeah, so that normalized CSS normalizes and standardizes all browsers so everything looks the same. Even if you're going on Safari, if you're on Edge, Firefox, whatever, whatnot. So that's what I assume. I'm not seeing it, but hey, like I said, I don't know the differences. But I'm trusting Arduku on this, so if it doesn't work, Arduku, I know where you live. All right, so let's close these HTMLs because we're not working with HTML today. I can look at that in a minute, by the way. Maybe clean up the text, all the comments, because there's a lot of comments and I don't like that much green on my screen. Looks like we're in the matrix. Okay, so what were we doing? We were doing the About Me page. We were doing the media queries. We fixed the margins. So, oh, but we had, hold on. Something wasn't working here as it should. We may need to resize. Thank you. We may need to resize our background pictures because they don't fit perfectly in there. What I'm going to do quickly, I'm going to move my coding screen to my VS Code to the side so we have a live view of whatever's changing here. Can we just do, oh yeah, background size. Yeah, we can do that. We can change the background size then. Is it? Yeah, it's the same problem everywhere. So let's resize it to 70%. Let's see. Let's go down to 50%. All right, good. It's 500. Oh, that's why. Shit in my eye. Hey, Tommy! Welcome to the stream. You spy wind blows. Well, wind doesn't blow. The wind blows, but wind blows. No, wind doesn't blow. Margin top, 20 pixels. Welcome to the stream, though. Margin, let's make you 0 pixel. Let's see what it does. It's not working for me. Let's make it all a bit smaller. Margin top, let's make you 30 again. Okay. 40, 50. No, April 1. April 1. So yesterday well, not yesterday, Friday, I went to the company to bring my, whatchamacallit, to bring my signed contract over so that they have the contract. And starting April 1, but first work day will be April 3 because that's a Monday. Yeah, exactly. You know, I was afraid when resigning my current job, you never know. They might be screwing with me. Margin left. I think 250 pixels is going to be way enough. Exactly. See? Well, no, let's make it 300 though. But that would be a low blow if they would do that. That would be a low blow. Okay. I maybe need to increase it then. Alright. Crikey. Margin left. Let's just give you 250 pixels. See, it resizes it as well, so I'm happy with that. I don't know why it does that though. Sure, it has a reason to do that. You finally started with the Odin project. I'm so happy you did. By the way, continue to tune in. March 25th is going to be the first Saturday stream that I'm going to start. So from that day forward, every Saturday there will be a stream as well, Saturday and Sunday at 7 p.m. Central European time. But the Saturday streams are going to be special. I'm going to call it Watch Me Do It. Please, yes, whenever you have time, of course. But I'm going to call that stream Watch Me Do It. And what we're going to do, indeed, we're going to do Odin Project. We're going to do Code Wars. We're going to do basic stuff as well. Like, let me find it quickly. If I have it somewhere. Oh, I found it. Like the Flexbox Froggy. We're going to do this as well. This is fun. So we're going to do stuff like this, and I'm going to code, and mostly I'm going to focus. I'm going to use Pomodoro timers as well, so that during, for instance, 20 minutes, I'm just going to work, and then we can have a break of 5, maybe 10 minutes, and then, you know, Cup Series is going on now. Phoenix. In Phoenix. Sure. What's the Cup Series? NASCAR. Which one was it? Blue Collar Comedy Tour. Blue Collar Comedy Tour. NASCAR. Yeah, it was Jeff, where he just makes fun of NASCAR. Like, it's such a sophisticated sport. And a left turn. And another left turn. And another left turn. And another. But I do like the cars they use in NASCAR, though. They are powerful machines. Like, really powerful machines. Bro. Okay. Driving without all the info. What do you mean with that? You mean the drivers themselves not having to do a lot of, stuff, or... Oh, by the way, sorry. Open close tab. Let's just put this in. Let me quickly go to my Discord. This is one of those good resources. New post. Let's make a new post. Come on. Let's do it together. Resources for good coding. Oh, for coding. Let's just call it for coding. Enter message. This is the first one. Mentor students. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And post it. So that's one. If we get more stuff, we can add them there as well. They're not allowed, for example, to have fuel gauges. Even the teams are not allowed to have all the info. They have to estimate how much fuel they consumed at any given time. Oh, yeah. That's maybe not that hard, though, if you think about it. You can, if you have a good, if your driver drives steadily, not changing his gears and not giving gas or braking too much, which at NASCAR they don't have to brake that much, I think. It's just giving gas. You could probably estimate what your usage, gallons per miles is, and you could, knowing how long the racetrack is. Well, yes, you're right about that. In draft and not in draft, things change, of course. Of course. If you're on the inside, if you're on the outside, everything. Yeah, you're right about that. You're right. Yeah, maybe it is a bit more sophisticated than just simply driving and, driving the same speed. Yes, I'm sure that every single milliliter counts. What was your job, by the way? What were you doing, if I may ask? In the meanwhile, stuff got fucked up. Why? God knows. Oh. Nah. I think. Oh yeah. Cloud storage. You said that. In fact, we were talking about how it drives you nuts. Yeah, I remember that. It's unfortunately most of the jobs are like that. Like even the job that I resigned from. I loved it, but I hated it. I hated it so much. It's the people, man. It's the people that make it, you know. Yeah, well, I hope you become a freelancer. I really do hope that you reach that point that you want to reach. Really. going to change some stuff. I'm going to make you 1,000 pixels. This is going to maybe... Okay. Wow. Welcome to the stream, ladies and gentlemen. A party of 15 is a great party. Wow. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the raid. How was your stream, Barke? What did you do today? And everyone that is joining me from his stream, welcome to my stream. While Barke is typing what he was doing, let me explain what I'm doing. I don't know. Hi, my name is Hakan, or as you can see from my stream, TeachMeJS. TeachMeJS. Please do. I don't know how to code. Well, I'm starting to learn how to code. I'm a chemist by profession, and I'm changing everything. I want to learn how to code. I want to become a coder. I want to join this business. I want to join this world. So that's why I started to learn how to code. I started to stream so everyone can join me on my journey. Net Lucky, welcome. Thank you for the follow. Well, thank you. I don't know why he can't type in chat. Is there... Oh, there's probably one of those chat settings that I need to change. Damn these chat settings. Thank you. Oh, there you are. Now we can type. So I'm taping my journey. Well, it's taping is an old word, but nowadays I'm streaming and my streams are being stored. I'm putting it on YouTube. In fact, go see my links. See my link tree. There's a YouTube channel there as well. I record everything. I put it on YouTube so people can enjoy it. People can laugh at me. Maybe there will be one person just like me, just like Hakan, who wants to make that switch, who just needs that little push. Maybe my streams, maybe my recordings will be that push for that person. That's what I'm really hoping. So they can start walking the same path that I've been walking, start doing the same journey that I've been doing, and maybe all of these videos will be of aid. So that's what I'm doing. And thank you for joining my channel today. Thank you for the raid. Barke. Oh, I'm being followed from everywhere. Barke, what did you do today? How was your stream? Was it nice? I'm sure it was. But what did you do today? You were working on some leak code problems with C#. Okay, nice. I did a little bit of C# many years ago. Many years ago. 2 problems in 2.5 hours. Is that good? Is that bad? I don't know. But, you know, looking at my stream, I think that's very good because I managed to solve 1 problem in 2 hours. So I'm sure he is a beast in coding. That's if he's coming from campus, he's probably a lot better than me. That's for sure. Ladies and gentlemen, people that were in my stream already before Barke and his gang joined, please go follow Barke. Barke is one of the campus as well. Well, like I said, please do. Please don't break my heart. If people deserve a shout out here, please follow me in following them. So let's just... You're just a junior. Well, my expectations are pretty low on standard, so seeing as I'm really not a coder. But yeah, so I use ChatGPT as well. It's in my tags. Today we haven't used Chat, but I use ChatGPT as well. In fact, I ask him very stupid questions sometimes. Let's see what I asked him last time. Oh. Hello? Oh. my questions went to the Filistijnen, as we call it here in the Netherlands. It went to the Filistijnen. Never mind. ChatGPT doesn't love me anymore. Well, yeah, I've been using ChatGPT for a long time now, since I've heard about it pretty much. But in the beginning, I was really shit. Now I'm also shit. But at least now I know how to ask my questions, and now I can blame ChatGPT if something doesn't work. So ChatGPT is shit. I'm shit. ChatGPT is shit. But I have to say, I'm very happy. It's a very good tool. It helps you in maybe finding stuff that you never thought of before. I'm using it as a tool. I'm not trusting it anymore as well. So when I ask it something and it just the answer, I just take that answer and just recheck it once more for myself. A, to learn it, but B, also to correct anything that I think might not be what I asked for. So I don't copy paste it anymore blindly. I do copy paste it blindly, but I change it quickly after that, after I see that it bricks everything. But so what were we doing? So everyone that joined us a few minutes ago, thank you for joining. What were we doing? I'm learning how to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We're doing that using this website. We've been building on a website for a long time now. We're adding stuff like dark mode. We're adding stuff like carousels, but also carousels inside of specific sections. As you can see, nice stuff. I was now doing media query stuff. Like we added the stream. But I'm not keeping it here for that long because it's going to start playing it. We added a contact page. Doesn't work. But that's normal. We don't have a backend, nothing. We build a carousel. This was a bit of work, but now it works and it looks nice. And there's a lot of pictures of me because I love seeing my own face. That's not what I was trying to do. Bon appetit. Thank you for joining. See you next time. Afiyet olsun. So yeah, that's what we were doing today. We were more focused on the About Me page and, like I said, doing the media query parts. So let's just continue with that, will we? Shall we? So these pictures fit now a lot better than they did a minute ago. Oh, but here it looks bad. Is this even changing anything? Looks like it's not. Let's just quickly do this. Because why do I have a feeling that the margin is... See? The margin is to blame. But when it gets bigger, it gets too big. Okay, hold on. I want to see this. I'm just going to do something. Like, what's the size? 1920 pixels. Okay. Let's make a new media query. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take my coding screen away from you guys again for a quick second. Okay, so where did all my pictures go to? What went wrong? We need to find a mistake. Cover or contain? Cover or contain? Where do I put that? In position or content or... Ali. Oh, hold on. Cover or contain. Hold on. Where do I know that from? Here. Oh, can you do that? But we lost our picture anyway, so hold on. Let me just quickly do this. No. 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 Will this work? It won't. Let's just do this quickly, yeah? Let's just... then let's take you away. Can we do this in the same line? Like, is this possible? It is. That's good. Position. Okay. But what happens if we make it small again? Okay. Let's bring our coding screen back here. Now I'm starting to wonder if that is maybe the solution to all my problems. Is it? Could it be? Could it be? Okay, let's try cover as well. Let's see what that does. Ladies and gentlemen, this is me learning. Ah, this doesn't work for me. Chup, 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 chup. But this does work for me. Somewhat works for me. Let's go to... Well, this works. This works. Ali. Türkçe yazabilirsin. But this did work for me though. Thank you. By the way, your English is not good enough. That's a big lie. So, oh well, Google Translate. Okay, yeah. I didn't read the last sentence. Use cover for the background size. It will resize itself according to the container. If you do contain, it will shrink relative to the container. Measuring with pretend. Well, yes, I know. Yes, indeed. There's many things that I've been doing. Let's just say wrong. Yes, evet anladım. I've been doing some things wrong, like using percentage. That's how I started off learning it, and I know this is now causing problems. That's why I'm trying to fix as much as I can. But uh, unfortunately, I haven't been able to learn a lot of the things like cover and contain. I never knew this. I learn new things every day. Like for instance, the size. If I go and check just what the possibilities are, like I never look at this. I never looked at it. Let me put it like that. So for me, this is yes, it's obvious, it's there, but I never checked it out. Maybe it's slowly becoming time that I do this. That I, for instance, just write this from background repeat. What does it do? What are my options? I can inherit. I can initial. I don't know what they're going to do, but maybe that's something that I should start looking into. What are my options in each and every selector? Selector? Is it called selector? I might have just said something that is incorrect, by the way. So, yeah, I said something that is totally incorrect. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Properties. Yeah, is that right? Never mind. I was asking Umut, I was asking what these things are called. They're not selectors. Selectors are these ones. What these ones are called. Attributes. Okay. Thanks. But in this case, by the way, Ali fixed something for us, so we don't need to have this, I would say. In fact, do we even need it to be inside of here? What's this? Oh yeah, we deleted this because we don't need this anymore. Never mind. It can stay in there. It doesn't screw with us at this moment. Okay. I think at this moment this works for me. I just need to, align these background pictures maybe a bit better, but for the rest it works, I would say. I love this dark mode switch, by the way. I have to thank Arduko and Roy Lucy for this because they really helped me hard with this switch. Beautiful. But I'm going to do some homework. I really want to do this next stream. I really want to do this. Next stream, though. We're going to close for this evening. Let's just save all our files. so we don't lose anything. Oh, by the way, yes. Now, what are we going to do? Now, I have a question for you guys. Let's go back to the coding screen. So this was all in my GitHub map. I need to move that map down again. Otherwise it's going to stick in the screen. This was all in my GitHub map. Now, do I have to do something to update? Muammer, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the channel. So do I have to do anything to, update it? Do I have to commit it again? Like, yes, I think I have to, right? Or not? You know what? Let's do it. Stream 12/3/2023. Description. Changed styling about me page to fit different screens. Added normalized CSS to added normalized CSS and linked it to all pages. Yes? Do I have to choose the people that can see this document? Do I have to do that again? Or Umut? Or anyone else? Is Dooku here, by the way? Let's give him a sound alert. I don't know if you can hear this, but I can hear it. Umut. No, okay. I just have a question. So this GitHub file, 2 people can watch this. If I commit to main, do I have to retag them, or is it all okay? Because it's giving me this little sign here of, add people. Oh, yeah, my whole camera is in the middle of the screen. That's not good. That's really not good. So I need to move my camera away to the other corner. Do I have to add new people to this? I don't know what the difference is. But I think maybe I think I understand what you're asking me. So I'm changing the whole thing. So I'm changing the main project file. Okay, yeah, it's still a little bit from French for me. You know what? Let's just try it. Let's just move my. Where's my mouse? Oh, there it is. So I have a feeling I just need to push. Well, what I want is, so we have this. We uploaded the files of the whole website that we're designing last week. I just want to update all those files so that the latest version is in GitHub, so the people that are following it can see the differences made. I, I we're reviewing the code as we go in the stream anyhow, so I don't know. Just push it. I think so as well. Okay. Okay, I think it only, shows the stuff that was changed, maybe. Yeah. Oh, wow. That's not much. I think that's it. I think that's it. I'll check it with our Duke and Roy Lacey afterwards. All right, so let's go back to just chatting. Just chatting. Just shitting. Oh, wow. Something's not working correctly. Yeah, this is not working correctly. I'm just going to change it here on my phone. All right, that should work. So yeah, today we got raided a few times. But we got raided by the OG, Umut, on his own, a one-man raiding party, one-man army. I'm slowly ending it. Yes, it's 9:30 here, and I have to go to a customer tomorrow morning very early. You're gonna start streaming when? In half an hour? In a couple of, well, then we're doing just chatting right now, so that's not a problem. We can wait for your stream. I'm here. I'm waiting. Don't worry. We're gonna raid you. A small party of 12 people coming in. But while we're doing the just chatting, I don't know how many of the original viewers are here. I'm going to do some shout outs quickly. Oh, that didn't work. Okay. Oh, I know what's going on. I'm not typing it right. Okay, so quick shout out to some people. Again, Theo, go follow the guy. If you like hacking and those kind of stuff, he's doing that on his stream. It's a fun stream. He's also using text to speech, so whatever you write, it works properly, and it's being spoken out. Security live as well. Oh, darn you. Let's just post links to those channels then. I don't care. Let's do that. Security. Yeah, there he is. Have you ever showed me your desktop? You haven't yet. So the next person I would like to shout out to is Security Live. I'm posting his link in there because you can only shout out once every 2 minutes, I think, or whatever that is. Umut knows this better. We need to talk with Umut and change these stuff within Twitch. I need to be able to shout out like a machine gun. So go follow Security Live as well. This guy, he has who is literally your team. My English is literally going bad now. The whole shout out part, is that in your team? We need more shout outs. We need faster shout outs. But Security Live, I need a blocker from technical side. I'm sure it is. I'm sure it is. Sure. Yeah, I'm sure it is. Let me quickly finish about Security Live. Hey, I think I can shout out the guy now. We've been talking about it so long now. Security Live. And if it's not working, let me just copy it so I can paste it in a second. Oh, there you are. Security Live, yeah. You can go follow this guy as well. It's a fun stream. What he has many things. He's if you're looking at his streams, it's chaotic. Like visually, it's chaotic. The guy has a room and the room is green. The guy has a few cameras around him and the cameras move. So he's like, when he presses 1 or he presses 6, the cameras just move and you have a picture from the back. He presses 1 and the camera comes to the front and he has a picture from the front. He has this very weird setup and he uses 3D printer motors to do this. But it's so fun to watch him. And he was one of the coders for the text to speech that you will see in B7H30, so in Theo's stream. It was all done by Security Live. This guy loves this job so much. What he does now is he's using ChatGPT. Like he went and just listened to all communication of ChatGPT. He pretty much hacked the system and he's now using ChatGPT AI with his text to speech and he's turning that into a logbook. He's a Star Trek fan, so whenever he says star date or whatever, I don't know, something like that, I don't remember right now, but he uses Obsidian and this chatbot, it's pretty much ChatGPT with his TTS bot, a mix of it, starts typing. And whenever he says nlog, it stops typing. And he's building fun stuff out of this. He also does other crazy stuff. Like he just goes and repairs a camera on stream. Very great, down-to-earth guy. Like I really love watching his streams as well. So please go see Theo. Go see Security Live. The other guy that we have to give a shout out to is, of course, our main man. Did I write it? No, I didn't. So he came to our stream a few times. I think he's in the background anyway. Core Functions Initiated. He's also a very good coder. He does a lot of coding. His streams are Turkish, but that doesn't change anything. I love his streams. Go follow the guy. Go watch him. Go say hi. You don't need to learn Turkish to watch Turkish streams, you know, but learning how to say Selamun Aleyküm would help. But go to Core Functions Initiated streams. He's a very down-to-earth, very fun guy. I really love his streams. And he's always, whenever someone comes, he's not the kind of guy that will... Well, that's a nice name. I'm going to just say it as it is. Fucking with you! Thank you for the follow. Fucking with me. I fucking with you. I think that's a wordplay though, isn't it? Let's be honest. That's a wordplay on, isn't it? And I really do love it. I really do love it. Yeah, it's an amazing name. Like, really amazing name. But yeah, go see Core Functions Initiated. Follow him. And for everyone I'm just talking about, like, follow them even if you're not going to watch them. You can, like, unsubscribe from the the announcements that they're on stream and so on. You don't need to get news when they're going to stream, but do go follow them. It'll make them happy to see more followers. Yeah, I've thrown a shout out for Core Functions indeed. I like the guy. So that's Core Functions Initiated. Now, we can't give everyone a shout out and then forget about this guy. Oh, 2 more seconds. Okay. Ozzy. He's also from the campus. In fact, let's just put the campus there as well. He's also from the campus. Also a very nice guy, very down to earth. The last few streams, he's been looking at MacBooks and I don't know what. You can go and give him some advice if you know something about Mac computers. I'm sure he'll much appreciate it. He's a coder. He's also a very down to earth, nice guy. He lives in Poland, as far as I remember. He works for an American company as a coder. Very beautiful guy. We're waiting for Umut, by the way. When Umut launches his stream, we'll be going there. I don't think we need to shout him out even more because we'll be going there anyway. So let's talk a little bit. Like everyone that joined the stream today, like fucking with you. By the way, have you seen my little Imgur video? I don't remember the video. Did you send me a whisper for that? I don't even know where my... Oh, there it is. You didn't send me that before. Would you... Oh yeah, no, you did send me this, didn't you? This is the penguin. I remember this. It's a nice penguin. Ali Yashar, thank you for the follow. Guys, fucking with you. Ali Yashar, what do you do? Are you coders? Do you code yourselves or are you starting off? Because I'm starting off. Oh yeah, you said that as well. You did the UI. You did the user interface a little bit. Let's start some music as well. You're a front end. Well, then you're at the perfect place because I need you. Please do come back to this stream because I need people like you. For me, I'll talk a little bit about myself. You're planning on having it caching future data, so at least for 2 days. That would be nice. What's this? Sure, whatever. So let me talk about myself, guys, for the new ones. My name is Hakan. I'm half Turkish, half Dutch. I live in the Netherlands. I'm a chemist. Thank you. I think it's interesting. For me, it is. Because I'm a chemist, I come from cancer research. That's what I did for many years. I finished my education, a bachelor in chemistry, but also in organic chemistry, master in organic chemistry at the Ege University in Izmir. I've been there in the lab, in the research lab, for many years. I worked as an assistant to my professor especially assisting in day-to-day lab tasks and the new students, getting them on board, onboarding of new students. In 2018, I decided to come back to the Netherlands because I lived in the Netherlands for 14 years. I'm going to come back to that in a minute. I've lived here for the first 14 years. So from 0 to 14, I lived here. And then for 17 years, I lived in Turkey. But in 2018, I decided that's enough. I need to come back to the Netherlands. I want to live here again. This all happened when I was drinking a cup of coffee here in the backyard during a small vacation of 10 days. I had a girlfriend, a very, very fresh start, a fresh relationship. We've known each other for a few years by then, but still, our relationship was pretty new. I called her and I said, hey, I want to go back to the Netherlands, but I don't want to lose you. Let's marry and go there. Like, we just started, honestly. I'm not going to give any details, but we just started. And she said yes. So over phone, I pretty much proposed to her and she said yes. Vacation ended. I came to Turkey. I went down on a knee for real and I proposed to her. So we married in March 2019. First, I did my military service in Turkey. I did my service in Ağrı with the 12th Mechanized. A fun time. But then in March 8, on her birthday, we married, and March 9, we moved to the Netherlands, and that's it. Since then, I've been in the Netherlands. I've worked in private laboratories, in CROs, but also in bigger companies. I've been working as a chemical safety and service manager for the past 2 years now, but I'm away from home for too long. Like, I go at 6 o'clock in the morning, I come back at 9 in the evening many times. So that's 15-hour work days sometimes. And I'm not no pay, but I'm not after the pay anyway, so that's not a problem for me. The problem for me was 9 months ago my daughter was born and I'm losing time with her. I'm losing very, very precious time with her. So that's when I decided that, okay, I'm stopping this. I need to learn something that I can do from home, do stuff from home. So that's why I started to learn how to code a little bit. Now my life is changing anyhow. Like I said, I stopped working for the company that I'm working for now. This is my last full week. So this week, I'm going to have 1 full week, and the week after that, only 2 full days, and then it's done. I'm stopping April 1st. I'm starting in a new company in Germany as a supervisor of the laboratory. So I'm going back to the laboratory, which is a lot better. I'll have work days from 9 to 5, so regular work days like everyone has. I'm gaining back the time I have with the time that I need with my daughter, and also the energy to learn this coding thing even more. That's the main goal: learn how to code even more, even better. So yeah, that's what I've been doing for a while now. Ladies and gentlemen, oh, he already started it. Okay. So today, what did we do? We picked up where we left. Oh, fuck. Before I end it, let me just quickly read the stuff that you wrote. That's my biggest issue. I have no real coding knowledge, but I hack around until I get it to work. Exactly. Me too. But I'm lacking knowledge everywhere. I couldn't tell you what the difference between classes and variables is, but I can make it work somehow, which is why I'm learning with the Odin project. Look, in the beginning, you won't learn. Like, as I said, I just called attributes, I called them selectors. Like, some things maybe you don't have the knowledge yet to explain it in words, but if you know it and if you can use it, and if whatever you're doing, if it works for you, that's important. What I can give you is, and it's not much, but I could give you Flexbox Froggy if you want to go do CSS stuff. What you can also do is CodePip is also one of those things. You learn to code by playing games, and CodePip is where Flexbox Froggy comes from. I go to this. Oh, I can also give you this. This is also maybe one thing that might assist you. Where's my Discord? My Discord. I've lost my Discord. I found my Discord. Threads. Teaches how to JS. No community forum. Roadmap. Yes, this one. Let me quickly see. No, not that one. This one. Here, I can also give you this. If you need a roadmap to learn how to code, this might be a nice roadmap. You already do some stuff with coding, but maybe this will help you to better, form a plan for yourself. But do it, do it. That's what I'm also doing. I jumped in head first and I'm trying my best to learn it. Now, Ali Yaşar, Türkçe soracaksın, her türlü cevap vardır. Ben de HTML CSS kısmı iyi yayınlar dilerim. Ali, Türkçe, English, doesn't matter. We can do it on stream, off stream, but thank you. I love people that I can use as a resource to learn. So if I'm able to, if I have the freedom from you to come to you with my questions, that will make me very happy. So thank you for that chance. Fucking with you sounds like an adventure, probably about all my past doings and everything. Yes, it was a little bit of an adventure for me. You were too fat for the military. You tried, but I was slightly too heavy. And in Belgium, they're quite strict. Yes, I'm sure they are. In fact, here in the Netherlands, they are strict as well. But I don't think they're strict in Ireland, though, with all the beer. All decorations. Well, in that case, you're pretty good in CSS if you've done everything in CSS. Well, yeah, what fucking with you says, I think that's correct. It's if you learn the basics, then the rest just you snowball right into it. So yeah, learn the basics and the rest will come. That's the same that we're doing here on stream. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, dogs and cats, dragons and wizards. I don't know, whatever you love. Yes, but before you go, we're going to raid. And please do stick around. We're going to raid Umut. Umut was in the stream a few minutes ago, as you know. He's a Twitch dev. His streams are Turkish, but he will respond in English. He's bilingual. He lives in San Francisco, has very clear and good articulate English. So if you have a question in English, please do ask him. We're going to Umut's stream. I don't know what he's doing right now. He's probably doing something crazy again. Well, not crazy, but doing something. Let's check what he's doing. Let's go to his stream. Pause it. Again, I don't know what he's doing. He's doing something. Say hi from me. Do follow. Do follow the guy. If you're not going to watch it, hey, just, click away the bell icon. But I think he's a nice stream. So I think you should follow him and just watch him whenever he's online. Great down-to-earth guy, Twitch developer. I really love the guy. Thank you for sticking around today. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for watching me do stuff, screwing it up and everything. Next week, we have a stream again on Sunday, 7 p.m. Central European time, so same times. After next week, we will have a stream on Saturday and Sunday, 7 p.m. Central European time. If you already follow, press twice. All right? One time you just unfollow and then you follow him again and say, I unfollowed and followed you because Hakan told me to. Say hi to Umut.